Hey there, and welcome back. When it comes to traveling, I often notice that people struggle in finding the right balance between carrying the essential items for themselves when traveling, but also the need to carry back gifts for family and friends. Plus, there's muscle strain that people may experience when they overpack for one bag travel. So that got me thinking, what does the ideal luggage look like for those who want to have a carry-on bag, want to have enough space to carry back gifts for family and friends, and avoid muscle strain? Fortunately, BagSmart came out with a Blast 43-liter roller backpack, and I was very eager to try it because I never tried such a hybrid design before. That being said, let's dive right into this review. The coffee colored roller backpack comes with padded handles at the top and side of the bag. Thanks to these features, it makes it easy to carry the bag in portrait and briefcase mode for short distances. The trick to make it feel comfortable is ensuring that you balance the items inside of it properly. The designers of this bag were clever when it came to storing the backpack straps. You see, in the store compartment, I draw out the two padded straps, clip them to the loops by the base, and I'm ready to go. Can I ask you a favor? I noticed that most of you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, but I'd appreciate if you gave this episode a like, subscribe, and share. It'll help me produce more content that you enjoy and make these episodes even faster. That said, let's get back to the episode. The interior compartment is very spacious at 43 liters. Under the cover is a large mesh zipper pocket for clothes, socks, and more. Within the wall of the backpack is another zippered mesh pocket. As a one-bag traveler, I can feel conflicted about the amount of things I can carry with me at any time. However, I can easily carry multiple large travel cubes and a large toiletry bag in this bag. I can store the sunglasses, passport in the small zipper front pocket, and there's still plenty of space for more. The front pocket has a velvet textured lining where I can store my MacBook Air or tablet for quick and immediate access. The exterior has these two adjustable clasps where you can carry large items like hiking poles. To help you with your purchase, use the discount code RLDavid for 10% off your next purchase of the Blast 43-liter roller backpack. That being said, let's get back to the review. The roller bag is modern and minimalistic in design, just like you see with the entire BagSmart collection. You can see that the bag is filled with items, but what you need to know is that you can only carry this bag on your shoulders for so long before you feel that strain. The right side of this bag comes with adjustable clasps should you want to carry things like a camera tripod. Now let's take a look at the wheels. They look exactly like inline rollerblade wheels and have the rolling smoothness of them too. When I would make turns or sudden stops, the wheels responded immediately. After a while, I got tired of carrying the bag on my shoulders, and I have to say that I'm impressed with how easy it is to convert to roller mode in a few seconds. The wheels turn flawlessly, and I give credit to the designers for choosing such good wheels. The top section of the roller backpack is where you can store small but important items like AirPods, keys, and your passport into a zippered mesh pocket. In my opinion, I think this section could include a key chain clasp. On the polar opposite end is the solid handle that makes the bag upright when it's standing on the wheels, but it also makes it easy to lift horizontally into the overhead carry bins. So let's take a side-by-side comparison of the 43-liter to a generic roller bag. Firstly, the 43-liter design is modern and clean compared to the typical roller bag. Secondly, while both roller bags come with side handles to hold in briefcase mode, BagSmart is better because the padded handle makes it more comfortable to hold. Thirdly, the major difference between the two is that BagSmart comes with backpack straps located within the store compartment. This makes it easy for you to carry on your back when dealing with terrain that the wheels can go over easily or would damage it. Fourthly, BagSmart comes with a water bottle holder on the side plus adjustable straps to carry items, whereas the generic bag doesn't have any of these. Fifthly, both bags have handles at the base, but I think the generic bag handle is better here because the base is stiff so it stands up straight. BagSmart base is horizontally uneven, so it can feel like it can tilt over if I'm not careful. Finally, the telescoping handles are fine, but I'll explain more about this issue I'm finding with BagSmart's handle, so stay tuned for that. Let me be clear from the jump that this roller backpack isn't meant to be worn for long periods of time, with more emphasis that you'd use the wheels. You can use it as a gym bag if you wish, but it's definitely not a hiking bag. The back of the bag doesn't contour with the spine, so it's uncomfortable for me since I've been walking with it full of items for a few kilometers now. In roller mode, the wheels turn with ease and without friction, especially if I make sudden turns or roll over rough surfaces. At the base of the bag, you can see that it isn't perfectly flattened, so it can tilt a bit forward and even fall flat, which I don't like because if my laptop is in that front compartment, the screen can be negatively impacted. There's a water bottle holder on the right hand side that can easily accommodate my 1.18 liter hydro flask bottle. Earlier, I made mention of a small issue with the telescoping arm. It works fine for the most part, but there have been a few instances where the button isn't able to be pressed, thus the arms aren't able to be extended or collapsed. This is something that would be immensely frustrating to deal with when you have to collapse it to store in the overhead bin of an airplane. But aside from that, the handle slides out very easily and locks into place when fully extended. My overall thoughts on the Blast 43 liter roller backpack is that it's great to travel abroad with, whether it's on your back or you're wheeling around. There's plenty of space to carry your essential items in and gifts for family and friends. I like its minimalistic yet modern design, which I find very stunning and visually appealing to look at. Something that I think could be better is to have the back panel include additional padding for instances where you need to carry the bag on your back. Secondly, I think the telescoping arm trigger could be better because there are instances where it'd be stuck in place, meaning I couldn't collapse it when I needed to store it away. That said, I think this model is worth owning because of its affordable price of $110, thus making a nice gift for family, friends, or even yourself. As a reminder, use the discount code RLDavid for 10% off your next purchase of the Blast Roller 43 liter backpack. If you found this review helpful, give a like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next episode.